Are you looking for a one-story home on almost a half an acre that has bedrooms, 2 bath, and a 3-car garage? Guess what? I got it. It's right here for you in Pahrump. Let's go check out the seller's awesome upgrades. Let's go. So if you want to live right outside of Vegas but have a huge piece of property, this is it. If you would like a private tour of this amazing home, I would love to give it to you. All of my contact info is below. I'm Wendy Goss, and I would absolutely love to be your real estate boss.